Looking into Contently AI, here are 12 things you need to know before buying, so you can decide if it's the right choice for you, especially when compared to other generative AI tools out there. First off, Contently AI promises to streamline content creation, but does it deliver on its promise? In terms of ease of use, it's quite user-friendly compared to competitors like Jasper and Writesonic. The interface is straightforward, and you can dive into creating content with minimal setup. It's a solid choice if you need something intuitive for quick blog posts or social media content. Next thing, let's talk about customization. While Contently AI offers templates, which can help speed up content creation, it lacks the deep customization that tools like Copy.ai or WriteR offer. If you're someone who likes to tailor content precisely to your tone and voice, you might feel a bit limited here. The templates are nice, but for more advanced users, this might not be the go-to choice. The third thing to note is its pricing. Contently, AI is generally more affordable than some of the high-end competitors, but that can be a double-edged sword. While it's cheaper, the value proposition isn't as strong if you're looking for something that goes beyond basic content generation. More advanced features, like long-form content or SEO optimization, may require higher-tier plans that start to edge into the price range of tools like Jasper. Fourth thing, let's discuss the content quality. In general, the output is decent, but it doesn't match the polished writing you might get from something like Grammarly, or even the creative flair from tools like Copy.ai. The quality can be hit or miss, especially if you're producing content for a niche audience. Expect to spend some time editing and refining the drafts it generates. Next, Contently AI doesn't really excel in content strategy generation. Other AI platforms like ScaleNut offer more guidance on how to shape your content strategy, such as keyword suggestions or SEO recommendations. Contently is more focused on just writing, so you'll need to rely on external tools for full-scale content marketing plans. The sixth thing, support. While Contently AI offers live chat and email support, the response times can be slow compared to competitors like Jasper or Writer, which are known for quick and efficient customer service. If fast, responsive support is critical for you, this might be a downside. The seventh thing, integrations. Contently AI integrates with basic platforms like Google Docs, but it doesn't have the wide range of integrations that competitors like Writesonic or Copy.ai offer. So, if you rely on a specific set of tools for your workflow, be aware that you might run into limitations here. Next thing, the content freshness. Contently AI does okay at generating content based on recent trends, but it's not always as up to date as some of the more advanced AI systems. If you're in an industry that moves fast, you might need to tweak the output to ensure it stays relevant. The ninth thing is the learning curve. Though Contently AI is relatively simple to use, it lacks the training resources that some competitors offer. Platforms like Jasper or Copy.ai provide tutorials and extensive guides to help you master their systems. Here, you might feel like you're on your own to figure things out. The 10th thing to consider is scalability. Contently, AI works well for individual users or small businesses, but it may not be the best choice if you're a larger team or enterprise. It doesn't offer as much scalability in its advanced plans as tools like Phrase or WriteR, which cater more to growing companies. 11th, SEO features. Contently AI offers basic SEO recommendations, but it doesn't go as deep into content optimization as some other tools, like Surfer SEO or Jarvis. If SEO is a big priority for you, you may want to consider a more specialized tool. Finally, the last thing to consider is its content variety. Contently AI excels in generating blog posts and articles, but if you need other content types like video scripts, ad copy, or landing page copy, you may be better off with a more versatile tool like Copy.ai. To wrap it up, Contently AI is a good option for those seeking an affordable and user-friendly content generator. However, if you're looking for more advanced features, customization, and integrations, there are alternatives that might better suit your needs. If you want a solution that offers all the benefits of AI content generation and more, check out our recommended option, which you can try for free.